I've been exploring the Too Good To Go app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Too Good To Go app. First, let's talk about what Too Good To Go actually offers. Too Good To Go is a food waste reduction app that allows you to purchase surprise bags of unsold food from restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and other food businesses at significantly discounted prices. The idea is simple but effective. Businesses upload their surplus food at the end of the day instead of throwing it away, and you can buy these mystery bags for as little as $3. It's designed to tackle the massive food waste problem while helping you save money on quality meals. The app currently holds the number 6 spot in the food and drink category on the App Store and has an impressive 4.9-star rating from over 394,000 users. It was even named as the winner in the 2023 Cultural Impact category at the prestigious Apple App Store Awards, which speaks volumes about its real-world impact. Now let's discuss how the app actually works. The process is refreshingly straightforward. You download the free app and explore a map showing nearby participating businesses with available surprise bags. Each bag is a mystery, but you'll know the general type of food and the original retail value versus what you're paying. Once you find something that interests you, you reserve it through the app and collect it during the specified pickup window. The collection times are predetermined by the businesses, usually at the end of their operating day when they know what surplus food they have available. The variety is genuinely impressive. You can find everything from sushi and pizza to fresh groceries and baked goods. Many well-known chains participate alongside local favorites, so there's usually something for every taste preference and dietary need. The app mentions that each surprise bag prevents 2.7 kilograms of CO2 emissions, which adds up to a meaningful environmental impact when you consider the scale of users. However, let's be honest about some potential drawbacks. The biggest consideration is that you're essentially buying a mystery box of food. While the app has rating systems and some businesses are consistent with what they offer, you might occasionally get items you don't particularly want or can't eat due to dietary restrictions. This isn't necessarily a fault of the app, but rather the nature of surplus food rescue. Another limitation is availability. The app's effectiveness depends entirely on how many businesses in your area participate. If you live in a smaller city or rural area, your options might be quite limited compared to major metropolitan areas. The timing can also be restrictive since you need to collect during specific windows, which might not always align with your schedule. From a user experience perspective, the app is well designed and easy to navigate. The interface is clean, the ordering process is smooth, and they've clearly put effort into making the experience as seamless as possible. The fact that it supports multiple languages and integrates with Apple Wallet for easy payment shows attention to detail. The pricing is definitely attractive, with bags starting at just $3 and typically offering food worth much more at regular retail prices. For budget-conscious individuals or families, this can provide significant savings on meals while simultaneously reducing food waste. Privacy-wise, the app does collect location data, purchase information, and other usage data, which is fairly standard for this type of service. They do use some data for tracking across other apps and websites, so privacy-conscious users should be aware of this before downloading. In terms of broader impact, Too Good To Go addresses a genuine problem. With 40% of produced food going to waste annually, apps like this provide a practical solution that benefits consumers, businesses, and the environment. It's not just about saving money, it's about being part of a movement toward more sustainable consumption habits. So, would I recommend Too Good To Go? If you live in an area with good business participation, enjoy trying different foods, and appreciate getting quality meals at discounted prices, then absolutely. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.